Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with Nia. In today's video, we're gonna learn animals in Arabic. So let's begin. Now I'm going to a zoo in Oman, and from there I will introduce you to some of the animals I will see there. So are you ready for that? So let's begin. First animal we have camel, in Arabic known as Jaml. So now we finish learning our first animal Jaml, which means camel. So now we have a second animal as llama, and in Arabic known as al-ama. So we finished learning our second animal, which is known as llama, and in Arabic known as al-ama. Next we have ostrich, which is our third animal in our list, and in Arabic known as na'am. Let's repeat one more time. In Arabic known as na'am. So we finished learning our third animal, which means ostrich, and in Arabic known as na'am. Let's repeat one more time. Na'am. Have our fourth animal as Arabian Oryx, and in Arabic known as maha Arabiyya. Let's repeat, maha Arabiyya. So you can see there are many Arabian Oryx here. Not only one, but a lot of them. So we finished learning our fourth animal, Arabian Oryx, in Arabic known as maha Arabiyya. Let's repeat one more time, maha Arabiyya. Our fifth animal is horse, in Arabic known as hisan. Let's repeat one more time, hisan. And we have white horse, in Arabic known as hisan abyad. Let's repeat, hisan abyad. You might have noticed ducks in the background behind the horses. Well, do you know what to call duck in Arabic? It is known as al-bitta. So now we finished learning our fifth animal, which is hisan, which means horse. Let's repeat one more time, hisan. And we finished learning our sixth animal also, which is white horse, known as hisan abyad. Abyad means white. And if you remember, we also learned what to call a duck in Arabic. Do you remember? It is al-bitta. This is our eighth animal, which is white goat, in Arabic known as al-ma'z al-abyad. We even have mountain goat, in Arabic ma'z jabali. So we finished learning white goat, which means al-ma'z al-abyad, and we even finished learning a different type of goat, which is mountain goat, in Arabic known as ma'z jabali. And now we have our 10th animal, peacock, which means at-tawu. We have a different type of peacock, which is white peacock. In Arabic, at-tawus al-abyad. Next, we have finished learning our 10th animal, at-tawus, which means peacock. And we even finished white peacock. And in Arabic, at-tawus al-abyad. Let's repeat one more time, at-tawus al-abyad. Now we have our 12th animal, raccoon. In Arabic, a raccoon. Now we finished learning how to say raccoon in Arabic. A raccoon. Next we have black sheep, which is known as khuruf aswad. So let's repeat one more time how to say black sheep in Arabic. Khuruf aswad. Now we have turkey. You can see two turkeys here. So do you know how to call that in Arabic? Dik romi. Let's repeat one more time. Dik romi, and this is the female form of the turkey. Next we have baboon, and in Arabic known as baboon. Let's repeat one more time how to call baboon in Arabic. Baboon. Are you ready for question and answer? What do you call camel in Arabic?
Camel.
Yes, you were right. It was jaml. Second question. What do you call baboon in Arabic?
Baboon.
Yes, that's the correct answer. What do you call raccoon in Arabic? Do you know the answer?
A raccoon.
Well done, your answer was correct. It was raccoon. Thank you, bye, masalama. Hope you enjoyed this video.